I'm Alan Aldridge and I'm the founder of Catalyst. I'm really pleased that you spent just 2 minutes with me just hearing a little bit about an intervention that will make a substantial difference to the performance of your business or organisation. Now, I think it's fair to say that we live in a society that's orientated around technology, but it's also fair to say that every important decision we make starts with an individual and ends with an individual. It's the people that count. And also it's fair to say that it's the people that are the glue in the organisation and help it to be efficient and improve. That is why it's so important that business leaders, managers and colleagues perform the best they can be every day. I want to talk to you about coaching, mentoring and group facilitation, and not only the benefits those interventions bring to the individual, but also the benefits they bring to the organisation as a whole. We are increasingly seeing larger and complex organisations taking on a coach or a mentor for their business leaders to help them be the best they can be. Having experienced the impact of coaching, mentoring and group facilitation in my career, I set up Catalyst with a view to bringing these interventions to a much wider market, irrespective of the size of the organisation, irrespective of the sector they work in, the opportunities that they're chasing or the challenges that they're facing. Our guiding principle is encapsulated in the phrase, unlocking insight, transforming performance. And this is exactly what we plan to do at Catalyst. Our skill is building on a client's experience and expertise in their sector. But just like a jigsaw puzzle, we are filling in certain pieces through insight that they don't already have to give them the bigger picture. We work in true partnership with our clients on a journey of exploration, interpretation, and to help shape their thinking so they can unlock insight and transform performance. So how do we do this? We use a blend of 3 powerful measures: coaching, mentoring, and group facilitation. And we use a blend because at different points, different interventions are required by an organisation. I'm often asked the difference between coaching and mentoring, and I would describe that as a mentor will give you insightful answers to your questions, whereas a coach will give you insightful questions to your answers. And group facilitation is bringing together a group of people with an objective of making a decision or aligning expectations or agreeing a direction for the organisation. Now, if you'd like to hear more about unlocking insight and transforming performance, please go to our website, which is www.wearethecatalyst.co.uk, or give us a call and we'd love to hear from you.